Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2 Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can create your new account on Google Drive. To do so, first of all you need to do is go onto your Google Chrome browser and search for google.com/drive. After you do so, it will take you to the official website of Google Drive. If not, you can also search for Google Drive and it will come up as the first result. After that, click on it and you can see that you'll be on the official site of Google Drive. From here, if you already have an account, you can also log in from here. Just click on Go to Drive and you'll be able to access the account. If not, and you need to sign up into your new account, all you have to do is simply click on the sign up option right here at the bottom. It does not take anything to sign up, so all you need to do is click on sign up at no cost. Now select the type of account you want, either it is for personal use or for your work or business. Now as either option is viable, simply click on the option that you want and click on it. After you do so, you can see that you'll be taken into a different page. Right now you need to input your first name and your last name. I'm going to input my first name, and after that your last name is optional, so I'm going to leave it blank. Click on next. And now wait for some time, and all you need to do is fill out your basic information like your date of birth, and make sure you fill in all of the right details in order to have your details also correct. Now after that, all you need to do is click on next again, and here you can see you can choose your Gmail address. Now if you want to create your own Gmail address as well, you can also click this option. Otherwise, you can click either of these two options to help you access the account. Otherwise, or click on create your own Gmail, or if you also have an existing email, you can also use that. But if you use any of these two options, make sure to note them down as well. After that, let's say I'm going to choose this one, click on next, and now you will be able to see in a screen where now you need to create a password. Now all you need to do is simply create a strong password and click on next, and you'll be able to create your account on Google Drive. This one's for this video, and this is a short tutorial on how you can create your Google Drive account for free. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.